Experts in all the elections will vote only at the facilitation center when they come for training. This is before, so this will be physically collected and the postal ballot facility is available in the same sense but at the facilitation center. Next, now coming to friends, after mentioning that we are focusing far more on the inducement-free elections, because money power is one thing which we want to restrict. We now will come to the schedule which you are awaiting, state by state, and now to start with from the Mizoram, the date of poll will be 7th November and date of counting would be 3rd, which is common of course for all these states. And elections in all these states would be completed by 5th of December. So date of poll is 7th November. Similarly, in case of Chhattisgarh, the elections would be in 2 phases. The date of poll would be 7th November and 17th November. The nominations after Mizoram for the first phase of the Chhattisgarh would happen on 20th, the 13th, and the last date would be 20th. Date of poll being 7th November and for phase 2, 17th November. In Madhya Pradesh, this coincides with the second phase of Chhattisgarh and date of poll would be 7th November. So, first Mizoram and the first phase of Chhattisgarh, then second phase of Chhattisgarh and one phase in Madhya Pradesh. Thereafter, Rajasthan, where the date of poll will be 23rd November in one phase entirely in Rajasthan. The date of issue of Gazette notification would be 30th October and date of counting for everyone being 3rd of December. Telangana would go last to the poll and date of